Hello, it's Monday the 5th of March 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar continued to gain versus most majors as the US job market seems to improve while Europe's upcoming recession seems inevitable. The safety of the dollar and the economic improvement in the US could lead the dollar and stock markets higher. US stock markets finished slightly lower on Friday, with the Dow declining by minus 0.02% and Nasdaq by 0.43%. Investors await February's jobs report on Friday. That could be the trigger for keeping the bulls going on their 5-month stock rally. Today, ISM manufacturing PMI is expected at 56.10 versus 56.80 prior, and factory orders are expected at minus 1.3% versus 1.1% prior. The euro continued falling as investors were unimpressed by added liquidity and focus on other nations that are raising concern. Spain raised its budget deficit target despite EU's objections, and Portugal and Ireland are said to be negotiating their rescue fund. The euro-dollar is currently considered bearish below the 133 resistance level. The pair faces its next support around 131.80. Today, retail sales are expected with 0.0% versus minus 0.3% prior, and final services PMI at 49.50 versus 49.40 prior. The British pound declined as the EU's upcoming recession seems inevitable. The BOE is expected to leave its asset purchase facility unchanged, but news and rumours regarding expansion of this programme could change the cable's direction. The FTSE 100 declined by minus 0.34% at 5,911, and the pound dollar continues to be bearish as long as it remains below the 159.60 resistance level. The pair's facing its next major support at 156.50. Today, services PMI is expected with 55 versus 56 prior. The yen continued declining versus the dollar as bets that the Bank of Japan will expand its monetary policy continue to grow. The BOJ is trying to reach the 1% inflation target, and more easing will continue weakening the yen. Technically, the dollar-yen broke above its strong resistance level at 80, and the momentum continues to be bullish. Today, average cash earnings are expected with minus 0.30% versus 0.10% prior. The Canadian dollar weakened versus the greenback on Friday, but stronger GDP and better global outlook are likely to spur Canada's exports and could lead to a rate hike which will strengthen the loonie. The dollar CAD is still on a downtrend, and a break below the 0.9850 support level could lead to a fall in the pair. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.